Welcome to today's meditation. This morning, we'll ground ourselves like a mountain, strong, stable, and unmovable. Mountains are rooted deeply in the earth, standing tall through wind, rain, and storms, yet they remain steady, solid, and unchanged. You too have that strength within you. No matter what the day brings, you can remain centered and grounded. Let's begin. Start by sitting in a comfortable position. Feel your spine long and tall, like the peak of a mountain. Close your eyes gently, allowing the world around you to fade as you turn your focus inward. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap, wherever they naturally fall. Take a deep, full breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. And exhale slowly, letting go of any stress or tension. Feel your body beginning to settle, just as a mountain becomes one with the earth below. Imagine your body merging with the ground beneath you, deeply rooted, stable, and strong. Now gently bring your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel it moving in and out, like the steady, unchanging rhythm of nature. There's no need to control or change it. Just observe. With each inhale, feel your body becoming more grounded. Imagine roots extending down from your body, sinking deep into the earth. These roots are strong, anchoring you to the solid ground below. With each exhale, release any tension. Feel yourself becoming heavier, more stable, unmovable. Now, set an intention for your day. Like a mountain that stands tall and strong through all kinds of weather, ask yourself, what quality do you want to embody today? Is it strength, patience, resilience, or perhaps a calm, unshaken focus? Take a moment to silently repeat your intention. Today, I am as strong as a mountain. As you continue to breathe, deepen this connection to the earth. Imagine yourself as a great mountain, rising tall, yet deeply rooted in the earth. Feel the solidness of your body, every part of you connected to the ground, anchored, unmovable. No matter what winds blow, what storms pass, you remain steady, unshaken. You are grounded, rooted deep in the earth. Strong, unwavering, unbreakable. For the next few moments, simply breathe and embody the strength of the mountain. Feel your body as solid and stable as the mountain itself. With each inhale, you grow stronger, more stable, more grounded. With each exhale, you let go of anything that might unsettle you. Allow yourself to feel unwavering, confident, and steady in this moment. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body fully grounded, rooted deep like the mountain. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing movement back to your body. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. As you move through the day, carry the sense of grounded strength with you. Remember, just like the mountain, you can stand tall and strong no matter what comes your way. You are steady, unshaken, and deeply rooted.